Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now, as can you see, the fingerprint animation is like just a circle. And now, just to change that, you should go into the settings, scroll a little bit down to the password and security, and here we get this fingerprint unlock section. Tap there. Here just drag your pattern, and if you get the pin code, and here you'll see the fingerprint animation. Just tap there, and here, as can you see, we got the neon, just a circle. Here you can make it by a starlight, like your aurora, for example, or like a pulse. For example, we can go with this one. I'll just go back and we'll check. And as can you see, we just have changed our fingerprint sensor animation successfully on our XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.